Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly 5 ways to be more successful in Monopoly Go. Adding friends is a key strategy in Monopoly Go. You can either add random players to your group or invite people you know. Playing with friends has significant benefits, such as additional dice rolls if a new player uses your link. Make sure to log in with your Facebook account, as this will help you save your progress if you ever decide to uninstall and come back later. Tip number 2 is to build your board wisely. Building your board is essential for progression in Monopoly Go. Each board offers unique aesthetics and provides more dice. However, a smart tip is to hold off on building until you have sufficient funds to complete it. In the game, you have shields to protect your properties from other players' attacks. Once these shields are depleted, your buildings can be damaged, requiring money to repair. If you don't build immediately, you avoid the risk of damage and save money. This approach helps in the long run, although it doesn't protect you from heists or rent charges. Still, it is a strategic way to manage your resources effectively. Tip number 3 is trade cards efficiently. Monopoly Go allows you to trade duplicate cards with friends. You are limited to 5 trades per day, so plan your trades to maximize their value. Trading is a great way to complete sticker collections and earn more dice. Note that currently you cannot trade shiny cards. This limitation can be a hurdle, and it is something many players, including myself, hope the developers will change to make it easier to complete rare collections. Tip number 4 is know when to stop rolling the dice. Knowing when to stop rolling is crucial. It might seem counterintuitive, but if you learn to play strategically and conservatively, you will be in a better position. For example, if you have a significant number of dice and start getting poor rolls, such as frequently landing in jail or between tiles, take a break. Don't exhaust your dice in one go. Instead, save them for future use, especially if you are in a strong position in the daily tournament. This strategy can help you maintain a lead and earn more rolls in subsequent contests. Tip number 5 is to attack friends strategically. Attacking friends can be a smart move in daily tournaments. The game allows you to switch opponents during shutdowns, enabling you to choose your friends as targets. If you notice a friend with no shields, attack them to score unblocked hits and dominate the leaderboard. This not only boosts your ranking but also earns you more cash to complete your boards. While it may annoy your friends, it is a strategic way to excel in the game. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.